This is the first one, and second, data frames and exploring data sets, and then renaming the columns and subsetting the data frames and basic operations with data frames, filter data frames, and this one, just go here, try this part. Pretty clear? So let me explain another part today. And what is difference between univariate, bivariate, multivariate? What is difference, guys? Plot the graph using one variable is called plot the graph using two variable is called plot the graph using more than two variables is called. We have a lot of things. And axis one means row or column. Hey, column or row? Are you sure? Okay, don't say, if anybody confused you, you say no, row, no, column. Don't say that. Axis one is column and LUMN, and axis 0 is rows. Just 1 second, let in row part. Okay, that's nice. Okay, everybody joined 68. Okay, anything else we covered? That's it. This is what, and we completed the project. Just country GDP analysis. So just go here. See, we completed 20 days, isn't it, guys? Yeah. So let's copy and just here. And today is 20th session. Okay, let in. So I just want to mention the agenda. What exactly topic we covered today? The first topic which I have is yesterday, the first one. Yesterday, I missed to inform you one concept's outlier. I will explain today. The second, I want to give you a small task about raw data and clean data. And then we start working on from basic Python. We talk about bitwise operator, and how to swap two variables. And then we work bit binary digits. We talk about all those things, and if possible, I want to cover the input functions today, if the time allows. Are you guys clear? If this is all those things. So here, these are three topics we try to see. I want to introduce how to install VS Code properly, okay, in your system. I want to check this. This is what I have. And after complete everything, I'll introduce EDA. You know, it is a parent of machine learning. Understand, guys? So this is very important topic. This is all those things we covered. And then we go to EDA. I think it's not work today. If not, I'll continue tomorrow. So online team, everyone is clear or not? Let me ask you a very straightforward message, guys. While my explanations, I'm sure I'm speaking slow, everybody should understand. If anyone, any non-technical guy, any non-technical learner not understand, please ping me stating, explain me in Hindi or in Telugu or in Odia or Bengali or Tamil, something like that. See, not everybody has an equal brain, isn't it? So the brain matured based on age. Let me tell you, the way the 10th class thought process, The way your thought process is different or not? The same way, I will tell you. So, while explanations, if anyone has any questions, so please, I will happy to help you after the sessions. So just sit and listen and go ahead and we understand the topic. Enjoy the topics, guys. Clear? Now let's, and also one more request. While I am speaking something, while explain any concepts, please listen my class and listen the class and understand what I'm speaking. So I'll speak one thing and you do some other thing, then it's completely disaster. So many people and anyone non-technical student learning online, I would highly appreciate, please attend offline. You're from other state, let me tell you, if any student not working, please come to Hyderabad and stay here and learn and get job and go. You know what is USA? United States of America. I told you or not yesterday. So please, this here, many people, they change the career. So when you come here, you meet with your friends, your communications improve, your adjustment, you learn what is life. Understand, guys? So I want you to request, if any non-technical student, so screen is not visible. Srikant, team, does my, it's showing green color. One moment. Stop and share again. Is it visible now? So clear. What is agenda for today? The agenda, first concepts I'll explain. Outlier treatment, very important. Outlier treatment. The second, I'll give you a small task about raw data and clean data. And after that, we talk about basic Python. As we already basic Python learning or not? So we done some operators, we done some data type, we done data structures, all those things we done. And then how to install VS Code in your system. And maybe if we not covered, then tomorrow we covered. And again, I'm saying while I'm explaining, please listen properly for every classes, don't disturb. And if any non-technical students not understand any concepts like statistics, deep learning, neural network, you can ask me your local language, whatever you have. So I'm happy to answer. All right. So that's it. So any non-technical attend online, please attend the class offline. No, you're from Mumbai, you're from Maharashtra, you're from UP. You look at this. Many people are from out of the states. The guys come and attend the classes physically. Understand, guys? Okay. I want this 6 months journey is memorable. Understand? So this 6 months journey, you never forgot in your life. I want to do that atmosphere. Are you in? Everybody. Online team and offline team. Fantastic. Let's try. Just go ahead and start. First, outlier. Do you see yesterday we done one? Harsha? Okay, good. Let's talk about these agenda today. Please join on time and go here. Try this. Minimize and okay. Do you see this, guys? While we do the box plot, how many variable we plot the box plot? Two variable, x-axis and y-axis. So I want to minimize and just open today's file and August month and let in, I think, pandas, right? Just one moment. Sixth data frame. Let's open the data set. Before you do any projects, understand the attribute. Understand the attribute. So here, let's go here and let me make it to center. Now go to this graph. So x-axis which part? Income group. X-axis is. So I'm going to go ahead and let's little select and make it as color. And what is y-axis? Birth rate. Just go here, Control V and select it. Now let me apply filter. In x-axis income group, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 income group or not? So just go here, and don't you see we have here high income group, poor income group, it's plotted. Am I clear? Okay. Now birth rate, if you see the birth rate, what is minimum starting point? 7.9. What is maximum point? 49. So that means, can we plot from 0 to 50? Excuse me, guys, please focus. Can you see 0 to 50 or not? Understand up to this? Internally, we plot these two attributes over here. Now, what about these lines? Let me select high income. I'll go here and select high income. So if you check this, what is minimum birth rate, guys? What is minimum birth rate? 7.9. What is maximum birth rate? 35. Just go here and one moment, a note. So in my laptop, I'm unable to see the screen. Guys, are you able to see my screen? Listen to me. What is minimum starting point? 7.9 or not? So that means this is the 7.9 here. Clear? What is maximum? 35. I should get that line here or not? But the question is why the line is here. Is the screen says up to some person and we say, yeah, that's right. So if we log to the meeting ID password, the screen, so joined in a guest and just, okay, that's fine. That's fine. So team, are you understand? So 35 means I should suppose to, this is a minimum line. The maximum line should be plotted here. But here the line is plotted here. Why? Let me show you. In this birth rate, 8 is neighbor to 7 or not? 8 is neighbor to 7. 9 is neighbor to 8. The same way, if you scroll down, see 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That means 20 is neighbor to 21. But 35, does it neighbor to 21? No. So this concept is called outlier. What is outlier? I will mention outlier. Outlier is the, in statistics, outlier is the concepts which is very far from other observations, guys. Understand, Tim? I mean to say, let's here we have two groups. Let's say this is called, this is a boys group, this is girls group. Understand or not? In the boys groups, one girl enter. So in girls group, one boy enter. So this is boy, this is girl. They are outlier or not? Are you clear? So that means this is the point very different from these observations. I mean to say, I'll try to give you more example from here and try to understand. Sir, I'm not able to hear the video. You can increase the outlier. Are you clear? Can you please tell me in this one, how many outliers we have? How many outliers we have? 3 outliers. For example, everyone has, let's say in a company, there are 3 employees salary is 50,000. First employee salary is 50,000. Second employee salary is 50K. Third employee salary is, let's assume a fourth employee salary is 1 lakh. How many outliers? One outlier or not? Excuse me, guys. Are you listening or working? See, let me tell you, many of the students does not, you quit the class in middle. Many of the students quit the class in middle. You know why? I'm explaining something, some of the guys are practicing. You have a time from morning to night or not? You will practice in the class only. When I tell you, then practice. Understand, team? Okay, just go here and follow me. One outlier. Now the same way, how many outliers we have? 3 outliers. The similar way, I just wanted to show you some of the outliers here. Just go to Google and type outlier. Just go to images. Can you please tell me in this graph, how many outliers we have? In this graph, how many outliers? 1. This graph, how many outliers? This graph, how many outliers? 4. Do you see? Everyone is one group. Everyone is one outlier. 5. This graph, how many outliers? 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. 51. 52. 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 59. 60. 61. 62. 63. 64. 65. 66. 67. 68. 69. 70. 71. 72. 73. 74. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79. 80. 81. 82. 83. 84. 85. 86. 87. 88. 89. 90. 91. 92. 93. 94. 95. 96. 97. 98. 99. 100. 101. 102. 103. 104. 105. 106. 107. 108. 109. 110. 111. 112. These guys are VIP. I don't want to stay with you. Isn't it? So they're unique. So here outliers are not. One side of the plane is green and this is purple or some other color. And just little scroll down and we work with this one. So here, how many outliers in this graph? One. Are you clear? So this outlier is very powerful in machine learning. This outlier is impact a lot in algorithms. So that's why we've introduced different algorithms to adjust this outlier, guys. What is outlier? Everybody say yes, one guy say no. Very dangerous or not? If you see there is a crow sitting in top of, you said no, that's not crow. That's something else. Is it dangerous? Isn't it? So every class also one or two outliers is there, guys. Okay, every class also one or two outliers are there. So outliers will impact. So can you please tell me how many outliers we have? How many outliers? One here. Look at this. So I hope you guys understand what is meant by in this graph. Can you please tell me what is outlier point? 35, 37, 38, 40, 42, 44. 3 and 76 is outlier or not? So today you guys learn what exactly mean by outlier in depth. So what is outlier? Outlier is the data point which is very odd from other objects. Do you see this fish? Yeah, everyone going left, one guy's turn right, isn't it? So this is outlier. So you see this flower? All flowers, this is another flowers. So I hope concept clear. What is outlier concepts clear or not? Just go ahead and let me close this. So that's what I said. So the outlier is the data point in in the data analysis, which is outlier is the data points which is very far from other observations is called outliers. And these outlier is very much impact to the data analysis projects and machine learning projects, guys. Data analysis projects and machine learning projects. Understand? Okay. So the first point we clear. But here before that, if I show you this graph, so this contains minimum point, this contains maximum points, and this is outlier. What is this line? This line is called mean or median. This line is called mean or median. For example, I'll go here. What is the birth rate? What is mean? 12.75 or not? The mean is 12.75. Just check. Do you see this line? Mean 12.75. So box plot once more, please. Come on, man. I already explained. Please don't join late, guys. Okay, so this is we called as outlier. This one, what is outlier? I will explain. Outlier is the data point which is very far from other observations. So in here, if you see the high income, so what happened? If you see 7, 8, 9 is a neighbor to these data points or not? 35 is very far from 21. Clear? Let me tell you, there's a few things. Data science required little theory as well. If you not understand theory, you never build practicals, guys. So many people drop in middle because when I little explanations on theory, even though I try my best to give best examples, people are sleepy here. And you've been attend here, think something else. Okay, so please don't do that. I request you, and that's where we continue. Okay, so can you please tell me in this graph, which income group has highest average birth rate? Which income group has highest average birth rate? You know what is average? This is low. This is high. These lines are highest average. This line. So do you see this is highest average or not? Which income group has lowest average, high income, isn't it? I hope this part we clear. Everybody understand the box plot now? So the box plot. So in interview, can you tell me the plot name which defined for bivariate? What is the name of the graph? Box plot. So I hope I appreciate, and I do see that everyone completed the project. That's great. And okay, I will close it now. Just 1 second. Let's close this file. Are you completed all the file, guys? Everyone, online team, offline team? Okay, done. Just go here. Let me close. So I will close this file. Don't save. Today we learn Outlier concept. Small task about raw data and clean data. So we talk about what is raw data, guys? What is raw data? The data contains missing value, right, guys? What is clean data? The Excel sheets data does not contains missing value. I want to tell you one concept because date and time. Can you tell me in the world any projects without date, without time, the project is invalid? If you book the flight tickets, we have a date required, we have a time required. We ordered the item from Swiggy, we book the train tickets, we require date and times. Any company without date. So I want to give you a small assignment with date and time using Python code. Let me explain this assignment, and I want you to little think and answer me and solve it. Just go here. Okay. And just let's go here. 6th, we done this. Now, task. JSON Excel file, are you done, guys? Team, I just give you some of the pandas documentations as well. So if you refer to this is powerful Python data analysis toolkit. So this has, pandas development team with McKin. So they are the founders, and pandas is very powerful. Let me tell you. Do you know user guide? So it's almost like how many pages? I think it's more than 1,000, 2,000. I don't want you to work on this, but keep these things in your laptop. Everyone has LED, LCD TV or not? Do you watch every day? No. But still TV is in the house or not? The same way you practice or not practice, keep this file in your system. Are you clear? Because whatever concepts in the pandas, it comes from here. Clear, guys? So Latin, I just give you, if you have time, little bit check. If don't have, leave it. Just follow my classes. Clear? But I will give you this. Next one, task. Class example about raw data and clean data. I want to ask you these questions, guys. The first thing, let's see, copy and go here and let me, okay, talk about this. So my questions to you is this raw data or clean data? Let's say address of the house, date and time. 3 attributes we have. 3 attributes or 3 features. Oh, anything we can say. 3 attributes or 3 features. So 1, 2, 3. How many attributes we have? 3 attributes. So I mean to say, is it raw data or clean data? Anyone guess? Okay. This file. This. If I tell you if it's a clean, can you visualize this? I will speak with you after the class, okay? So are you able to visualize this? Yes or no? No, man. How do you visualize? Because even though visualize, it's not make sense. Are you visualize the complete address? No. So actually, time is exactly. So that's why, can you please write a Python? See, in organizations, any company you work, any company, whether it is small level, whether it is a medium level, you need to play around with date and time. So my question, can you please clean it? How do you clean it? So I want to, let's say, I'm going to give a small task. Let's assume this is raw data or not, we talked about yesterday. This is also raw data. Now the question, how we need to clean it. So if I mention address to house number, street, city, state, zip code, this is perfect or not? This is perfect or this one is perfect? This one is good. Now, date. Date, can we split into day, month, year? The next one, just go to time to hour, minute, and second. I will give you this file. Can you use Python code and create me like this in pandas? Do you understand what am my task? So in the task, why every company you need to play with dates and times and address. In this class, if you done in organizations, you can work easily or not. Now you could have a good rapport with manager. So how do you do in Python? I want to tell you a functions called the split functions. Very good. Which functions, guys? Split functions. The thing which I'm saying right now, the experienced people understand what I'm saying. But for freshers, just follow me what I'm saying. I don't, I mean, whatever you work, but use Python split functions to do that. We have a separate functions called split. So I will give you this task. Would you try online team? Would you try, guys, offline guys? Just go home. I'll share you these documents to you. Check this. What is my input? What is my requirement? This is the data we have. This is the data we have. From this data, using Python split functions, create like this data frame. Can you create? That's it. Small task. So let's see how your brain thinks. Just go here and another task I'm saying, just task 6 is, so convert using pandas or anyway. So we can say clean, or can we called attribute creations or not? From 3 attributes, am I create more attributes, guys? Attribute creation or not? So we create a new variables because of this. So I'm in using Python split functions, convert raw data and make a clean data, guys. This is the task 6. Please try this. And this is, I give you this code and project 5, country GDP analysis we done. So up to this, I assigned you 6 tasks, guys. And how many? Just 2 coding file, variable, 96 questions, NumPy 6 sections you guys working. And I will give you interview questions for pandas. Can you do it? Can you do it, guys? Everybody? Yeah. So I will give you later part, but not now. Okay. So how many topics we covered so far? This one we done. Outlier treatment we done. And this one I assign the task. Done. Assign the task. Let's go ahead and work with basic Python. Let's go ahead and work with basic Python. Let's open the new file and then EDA part I will explain tomorrow. No need to worry for that. Just go here, basic Python. Logical operator, are we okay? Just these operators we completed or not? Operators in Python. I want to complete the basic Python slowly. If you want to work with me, you can work. If you not, just listen the class or you can do it later. It's anything up to you. Arithmetic operators. What are the arithmetic operators? Plus, minus, multiplications, division, all those things. Assignment operators. What is assignments, guys? Relational operators, greater than, less than. We have all those things or not? Equal assignment, relational operator, logical operators, binary operators. This is what we completed. Okay. Today, do you see the truth table? Logical, all those things. Okay. Now, number systems, guys, very powerful. And what is unary, guys? What is unary? It will give you only one operators, right? Yeah, still simple. Just go ahead and try this now. Today, we will introduce a Python basic part only. There is a called number system conversions. So here in Python, we have few concepts: binary system, octal system, decimal system, and hexadecimal system. So just go to my notebook and let me write down. So here I'm in number system. So here, how many number systems we have? Binary, octal, and decimal, and hexadecimal. This four is enough. I'll tell you where we used in practically real time, where we used these learning, where we need use in a company. Just if you want to work with me, please work and just understand. Let me tell you, whoever students not work with me, don't work, listen and work later. And first, binary. Binary, the base value is 2. Bi means what? 2. So here, octal, the base value is 8. Pretty clear, guys? Online team, are you able to understand? Base experienced people, I'm not talk about this. I'm talk to my non-tech guys. Decimal, 10. What is hexa? Base value is 16. Am I clear up to this? Next one. Just refer to this. I'll close this. Guys, would you solve everyone offline team? Don't say, sir, you told online team. That's why we work. You didn't say to offline team, I didn't work. If you say, then that's it. All right. So I'm talking to 7:30 p.m. batch. I will give you this file. Please work. Let me close this. Venu, sir, will you explain? 1 second. Will you explain the date and time and address one tomorrow? Man, I'll give you to work and now you tell me to please explain. Python split functions, I give you some assignment, man. What you want explanations, date and time, I don't want to know that. I'll explain that. Guys, you understand? Venu, what are you asking? Okay. What I'm saying, I have date time. Okay. I will try it. Yeah, see, you will do that. You have to do that. Okay. So you will try. If not, I can explain. Okay, well, no problem. You try today. If you got any error, then I will give you. So in your company, let's say this type of assignment you get from your boss. You need to do that or not? You have to do that. No problem. You will do. Definitely you guys can do. You have a GPT, you have a Google or not? Okay, definitely problem would solve. Okay. No, first use your brain GPT and then you can work. Okay, let me close this and don't save. Okay, let's go to the code now. And we start basic Python. The first, check 25. When I said 25, please work with me. When you said 25, I got 25 or not? But when I write binary, always write with bin. Okay, always write with bin. Octal will OCT. Just anyway, you check this. 25. When you say binary of 25, what happened? Do you see these values are you got or not? But the question is how I got this value. But the question is how I got this value. So, excuse me, guys. Excuse me. Are you working? Please focus the class and then work. When you say work, then work. First one. Can you see this table? What is 0B means binary. 0O means octal. How do we define this? We define this 0B. Here we define OCT oct. So 0O. Don't say, sir, I'm confused with 0 and O. What I do, man? Isn't it? Don't confuse with 0 and O. So 0O, all those things. All right. So we talk about each and everything one by one. Just go here. Do you see this division table? And let's try to do it. 25, 2. Let's see. Yeah. So binary means 2 or not? 0B. 2 12 24. What is reminder? 1. 2 6 12. What is reminder? 0. 2 3 6. What is reminder? 2 1 2. 3 minus 2, 1. So do you see this, guys? I got 1 1 0 0 1. Now 0B 1 1 0 0 1. Clear? Very simple or not? So what exactly happened? 25. Let's divide. 2. So 2 6 do not mention dividend, divisor, dividend, quotient. Anyway, 2 12 24. Reminder is 1 or not? Now 2 6 12 0. Then 2 3 6 0. Little scroll down. Then 2 1 2 1 2. Reminder is 1. So 1 1. Now you go from bottom to top. Don't come from top to bottom. You just go from bottom to top. Let's go ahead and we understand. Just click here. 0B 1101. So also, let's see. This is 0B 11001. Can we solve it again? So here, do you see 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3. Anything left? 1 into 2 to the power 4. Can we solve it now? Yes, man. See, guys, this is a small concepts. Don't be so much research. Understand? Yeah, exactly. You're teaching school maths. Exactly. So here, this is the, if I don't teach, then most of them not understand, right, Sashi? So here, 1 into 2 to the power 4 is what? 8 plus 8 or 16? 16. 2 to the power q is 8. Then 0 plus 0, then 1. So can you say we got 24 or not? 16 plus 8, 24 plus 1. Team, are you clear or not? Sashikumar, say you're teaching the school math. Okay, man, do you want me to skip it then? You want me to skip, guys? Online team. Clear. Okay. That's fine. That's right. Entire data science like that. So concept clear? So now I'll tell you where we used in real time. The same thing. So if this is one way we got, but if I convert into 2, can you write this code? Into 2, 0B1101. Can you check this? 25. Okay. So do you see this, guys? Today, binary clear. Are you clear binary? If I tell you, can you take pen and paper and I'm saying in 35, what is output we get? Can you solve it? No, don't execute, to be honest. 35. How do you know this? 0B. So what we do, guys? 35. Okay, I little reduce. You do 35. What happened? 217. 34. Remainder is 1. And then 2 8 ja 16. Remainder is 1. And then what exactly happened? 2 8 ja 2 8 ja 16 0. Then what happened? 2 4 ja 8 0. 2 2 ja 4 0. 2 1 ja 2 1 ja. So this is all those things we get or not? Just go and check this. Just hit here. Concept clear? Now if I say just add int of, just copy and let's copy this and execute. Now you may ask a question, sir, why are we learning? We have to learn because this is basic. That's what I promise you, I'll teach you from basic. So this is what basics, guys. Understand? Operator is basic. Data type is basic. Data structure is not basic, but we understand. Just go here and try this. Are you done up to this code? Cool. Can we go to the next one? Good. Bin of 20. So let's go here. I hope you solve it. I hope you solve it. Bin of 20. How do you know this, guys? Let's say 20. 2 10s are 0. Do you see the 0? And 2 10, right? 2 5 0. 2 4 1. 2 2s are 0. And 2 1s are. So here 1 0 100. Are you got this or not? 1 0 100. So guys, I hope you're clear. What is binary number system? Just go here and execute. Now, can you please tell me what is output? 0B11. Let's solve it. 0B1111 implies 0B means what? Base 2. 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power square plus 1 into 2 to the power cube. So solve it. 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. What happened? 15. Just go and hit it. Just you got 15. Clear, guys? Are you understand or not? Okay. When I say oct of 15, oct means what? Octal. What is oct? What is base value then? 2 or 8? 8. So here 15. Can we divide with 8 now? 8 1s are 8 or 8 2s are 16. So 8 1s are 8. So what is remainder? What is remainder? 7 by 1 man. So then 8 1s are 8, isn't it? So here, so if we got 1 7 or not? Check this. Team, are you clear? Everyone, just go here. 15 is 1 7. So what exactly happened? 0 0 1 7. Let's imply 7 into 8 to the power 0 plus 1 into 8 to the power 1. So 8 plus 7 is equals to 15. So this is the solutions. Concept clear, team? Go back. Now 15. 0 17. Now 0 17. Guys, got me what I'm saying? Next, hex. Next, hex. What is hex? Shakina, why you joined late? Okay. So always remember hexagonal. So system understand 0 to 9. But hex is 16 or not? System understand 0 to? Do you have 10 keywords somewhere? Don't say, sir, in my laptop I have 10. Then that is not a laptop. That could be something else. So here 0 to 9 and next A is considered as 10, B is considered as 11, C is considered as 12, D is considered as 13, E is considered as, and F is considered as 15. Means index begins with 0. So it's top till 16. Are you clear? 0 to 9, A is considered as 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's good. So here, let's clean it now. Hex of 15. Do you see 0xf? 15 means F. If I change 14, what is output? What is output? E. If say 10, what is output? Concept clear? Everybody understand? When I say 9, 0x9. 9 means 0x. So hex, how do you define? 0x. Oct. So here we call as 0x. Okay, you can talk about this. Now, hex here. So 0xa. So how do you do? What about this now, guys? It is a 10 or not? Can you please tell me hex of 25? Could you solve it? Hex of 25. Could you solve it, guys? If it is 336, Kalyan, try to check. You get this. See, guys, you no need to be Balaji. You can try. That's not an issue. I told you the concepts. We don't spend like 2 days for this concept. These are very small concepts. Nobody asks in data science interview. As this is the concepts of it, then we can solve it. Understand, team? Okay? Yeah. 1 second. So when I say hex of 25, what is output? 25 and 16. 16 1ja, what is remainder? 9. So 19 or not? Check and execute. Here we go. And done. And 0x15 is 21. 0x15 is 21. So how exactly 21, guys? Let's say 0x15, 5 into 16 to the power 0 plus 1 into 16 to the power 1. 16 plus what, guys? 5 equals to 21. I hope concept clear. Okay. 1 second. Just give me 2 minutes. We'll understand, oops, everything. Don't worry. It's okay. I want to show you some annotations. Then I will introduce another concepts of swap variable. Now there is a question, why we learning this and where to implement in real life? Just go to CMD and type in hex, what is the maximum element we pass? F, right? A, B, C, D, E, F. Can you please check IP config? Every system has an IP address or not? Can you check IP config? Do you see every IP address you own get more than F? These code has written in digit systems, guys, so that your IP address is different than me and entire people IP address is different. Where we use these concepts, guys, the concepts which I teach you today. So there, to find out your IP address, there we're going to use this. Team, are you clear? Everyone? Okay, that's good. All right. So Balaji, can't you do this? 5,000? Okay, now if I ask you questions, 50 lakhs. We don't spend much time on 50 lakhs, 1 crore. Understand? There's a waste of the time because no interview asks you, give me the hexagonal of 5,000. Understand, Balaji? Okay. And next, Kalyan, can you try 336? What? Is it binary? Is it decimal? Yes, guys, you can do. If you have time, you can do 336 divided by 8, 16. You can do. It's not a big deal. Clear? Response to your questions, Kalyan and Balaji. Next part. So where do we use binary number systems, guys? In your IP address, guys. While you check IP address, you got your all these different IP address or not? Okay. Now just go here and truth table. Wait. Relational operators. This is truth table and one moment. One moment. I want to show you some of the graph number system. Do you see, guys, every IP addresses has written in EF. You don't get more than GH because it is written in decimal, bit binary digit. Binary means base 2, 0 to 1 or not. Decimal means 0 to 9. Octal means 0 to 7. Hexadecimal means 0 to 9 and A to F. And this part we done so far. Hex of 1 means 0x1. Hex of 2 means 0x2. Hex of 3 means, I think you can continue that. So hex of 8 means 0x8. Hex of 10 means 0xa. Hex of 11 means 0xb. So what exactly happened? Hex of 25. So what happened? 0x19. 9 into 16 to the power 0. 1 into 16 to the power 1. Are you clear or not? And then here 16 plus 9 is 25. I give these solutions to make the concepts clear. I am here to concept clear. Understand is, I will tell you how to drive the vehicle. Doesn't matter whatever vehicles I'll give, you can drive. Got my point? So that's the sessions we're going to take it now. This is powerful sessions. Nobody in the world can guide you. But lately people recognize. Understand, guys? People not recognize, but lately people can recognize. Let's go ahead. Okay. Concept clear this one, guys? Now, okay. Let's very powerful. Let's ask one questions. Swap two variables. And this concept largely used in decorator. What is meant by Python decorator, generator, iterator? These are big concepts. Excuse me, guys, don't do any work. Are you doing any practical right now? Please just stop it. When I say stop it, you can do, guys. So there is an interview question is how to swap variables in Python. What is interview questions? How to swap two variables. In throughout the journey, I'll give you more questions. How to print Fibonacci sequences, how to check prime numbers, print the prime numbers, factorial using recursion. What is recursive? Have you explored the concepts called leet code or not? Do you see this leet code? This is powerful. In the leet code, there is almost like 800, 817, so almost like more than 2000 questions you have, guys. Do you see this is a leet code? And I don't want you to be so much knowledgeable to work on leet code. So there is a few technical points I will guide you. Maybe you can understand or maybe not understand. It's up to you. Okay. Every day in a 1 year, how many days, guys? 365 days or not? Let me split into two parts. 180 days, 6 months, 180 days, 6 months, isn't it? So in 180 days, every day spend 1 hour for coding. How to learn Python coding and become expert? First, listen my explanations and learn complete Python from zero to expert level. Understood? You learn. After you learn the concepts, try to work from geeksforgeeks.com. Understand? After done, you can go for HackerRank. After done, go to LeetCode. LeetCode has easy, medium, and hard. HackerRank also has easy, medium, and hard. So let's assume in 360 you are a lazy, you're zero. Assume that's what we're learning or not. Every day spend 1 hour for code. So how many days? So we spend 180 hour or not? The moment when you spend consistency is very powerful to get a success. Consistency is very much powerful, guys. So 6 months, how many hours we done? 180 hours or not? So now in 180 hours, if you send you addicted addicted to the code. You love the code. When you love someone, the code is loving you now. So next 6 months, what you do definitely will increase to 3 hours. Getting my point? So assume hardly you solve, let's say, at least 50 questions because you're lazy. 365 days. Okay? You solve how many? 50 questions. How many years a person live, guys? More than 60 years or not? How many years, guys, we lived, guys? 60 years. Least. Because the food is more artificial, not organic, isn't it? In leaf also we apply the pesticide, isn't it? So here, in 60 years, do this for 2 years, man. Do this 2 years. See the changes. Understand? So these things nobody written in any book. Are you clear what I'm speaking? So 60 years, if you not code before, live it. Just live it. Whatever happened, happens. Now, today onwards, every day 1 hour. Okay? First, focus on 6 months course. Okay? And then you follow this. Your life will change. I promise you. Wouldn't you think so? What I'm saying, it's a damn true or not? Do you feel it's a true or I'm explaining false informations? Online teams is response. Experienced people also there. I'm talking to you. It's damn true, man. We live 60 years. Can't you spend 2 years for code? An entire life you'll enjoy. So we try to plant a seed. To seed to make a tree, it required 2 years. I hope understand. Let's go to the topic now. Let's go to the topic. So here, perfectly said. Yep. So experienced people understand, but freshers, just listen to me and work with me. And what I said, please follow me, guys. Thank you. 1 second. I will add to this one. Now go to see, because why I'm saying pandas. Pandas we working? Not now. Whenever you time little solve and get a batch. Once you get a batch, yeah. See, we'll do this. We'll do this. See, everything I said. Then when I teach you AI, when I teach you generative AI, all right, guys. Yes, Lalit, you can do few things, guys. I already solved. If you want, I will share the code to you. But if I said that's not going to work, right, guys? Okay, Lalit, one moment. I will close this. So what is the next questions? How to swap variables? Just go here and get to this file. A equal to 5, B equal to 6. In the memory, in heap memory, I create a variable A and B, 5 and 6, A and B. Write the program to A become 6 and B become 5. How do you write this? Very much clear the question? Just do it and understand. So in this case, I can write A equal to B and B equal to A. Just have a look at this and execute and here and print A, print B. Do you see is it correct one? Why it is not correct? Why it is not correct? Because in here, I'm saying A equal to B. So A equal to 6, B equal to A, B becomes 6 again. So that's why it got wrong informations. Am I correct? Okay, next. Let's try to solve. A1 equal to 7, B1 equal to 8. A1 equal to 7 and B1 equal to 8. So when I say A1 equal to 7, can I create a new variable or not? Let's say A1, B1, A1, B1, A1 equal to 7, B1 equal to 8. Let's create a new variable, temporary variable. I'll say temp equal to A1. I make a 7. A1 equal to B1. So A1 become 8. Now you print B1 equal to temp, B1 equal to 7. Problem solved or not? Team understand? By using third variable, I'll come back, guys. Just go here and execute and execute. Do you see this? We swipe it or not? A1 7, we swap to 8, B1 8 to 7. Are you clear? This is one way or not? So what is the way we swap the variable? By using third variable. By using, but interview person says, hey, I don't need third variable. The interview person says, can you solve this problem without using any third variable? That's right. So let's go ahead and do this. In the above code, we are using third, and they might ask, yeah, guys, you answer. I understand B equal to A equal to B. We can do this. That is also. So what is the first step we solve? Just go here. The first step we solve using third variable. The swap to variable. What is the first points? Using third variable. Next, can we solve other way? Let's say A2 equal to B, B2 equal to 6. You can use this formula, guys. A2 equal to A2 plus B2. B2 equals to A2 minus B2. A2 equal to A2 minus B2. Listen to me now. A2 equal to A2 plus B2. 5 plus 6. 11 or not? Okay. Then A2 refer to 11. B2 equal to A2 minus B2. 11 minus 6. B2 equal to 6. 5. Then B2 equal to 5 or not? 6 becomes 5 now. And then A2 equals to A2 minus B2. So what is A2? 11 minus 5, which is 6. Just go here and check. Do you see? A2 5 will change to 6. B2 6 become 5. This is second way. Are you clear? Just go here and let's go to my notes and using additions and the formula. What exactly? You can refer this using additions and subtractions. A2 plus B2, A2 minus B2, swap variable. I hope you do this. Online team clear? How many way we swap two variables? Two way. How many way we swap two variables, guys? Two way. That's right. Next one. Just now I was talk about binary number systems or not? We can also do that, guys. You can also do that. How do you do that? You can work with me. Anyway, just 0B101. Can I write directly or not? 0B101. Execute 5 and 6. 6 becomes 5 and 5 becomes 6. This is easy way or not? What is the third way? The third way is using plus and minus. The third way using bit binary number system. Number system we convert. Can we go to other way? XOR. So I want to introduce XOR now. Guys, this part clear? Everybody? Offline team, are you understand or not? Three-way. XOR. What is meant by XOR? Exclusive OR. XOR means exclusive OR. Let's understand the table. What is meant by exclusive OR? 0 XOR 0 is 0. 1 XOR 1 is 0. Rest of them is 1. See this table now? So let me tell you, when I show you some graph, take a pen and paper and draw the graphs. I'll explain machine learning algorithms, upcoming classes. There is a lot of maths. I will tell you a lot of maths, lot of statistics. So try to learn with pen and paper. It has very good. Now, if you have recording, that's absolutely. I would request if any non-technical team, so please take a recording. We just charge very less money compared to other market. I will teach you a lot of the topic which you explore. Experienced people, you will surprise later. Not right now. Okay, let's do this now. XOR. Print A to B2. I can write like this. A2 equal to A2 XOR B2. And then A2 XOR B2, B2 equal to, and A2 equal to A2 XOR B2. Let's understand what exactly mean by that. For example, take data represent binary format. So when I say I have a two numbers, guys, let's assume this number, this number. So here 1 XOR 0, what is output? 1. How do I know? 1 XOR 0 is 1 or not? Team, clear or not? This is. And 1 XOR 1 is what? 0 again. And then here 1 XOR 0 is 1. Can you do it like that? The same way, yeah, both inputs, then 0, that's right. The same way, if you scroll down, print A2, B2. So when you XOR, then you get 5 and 6. This is another using XOR operator. I will explain more XOR operator in upcoming classes, okay? So using XOR operators, guys, understand? The last one which I have is very simple. A2 equals to B2 is equals to B2 comma A2. This is what you need to do this. Multiplications operated to. Yeah, you can do that. That's right. So do you see very simple code or not? Which is following? Last one is best one. A comma B equal to B comma A. How? A2 is referred to B2 and B2 referred to A2. Very simple or not? But actually what happened internally behind the scene, I mean to say, we called wrought two concepts. This is called internally, it uses rotational concepts, guys. Internally, behind the scene, it understands rotational concepts, means swap the two topmost stack items internally. So here, what exactly happened? A2, B2, A2 becomes B2, and do you see we swipe two values or not? Remember these concepts now, swap, while teach you to have a little idea about the programming. I will use this concept in Python decorator. What is meant by decorator? As I start, I will give you small examples about the decorator. Okay. Assume, no, I'll tell you later, but just go ahead to this one. Bitwise operator. Shall we do this, guys? Bitwise operator? Shall we complete? What do you think? Interesting or not? So they're using the simple concepts A comma B equal to B comma A. So we learn this one using this much of concepts. We can swap two variables, isn't it? Okay. Now installations of VS Code. Tomorrow I will teach you, not today. It will take a long process. You have to install along with me. Okay. Next one. Who already installed? That's fine. EDA I will start from tomorrow. But before that, let me finish the bitwise operator and we can complete today's session. Clear? Online team, are you okay? Are you guys tired? It's bitwise operators. The first one, complement. What is the first one? Complement. I'll go to my notes, and do you want me to maintain this type of notes or don't want, guys? Bitwise operator. In the bitwise first one, complement operator. I don't. Now, AND operator. Next, OR operators. Next, XOR operators. Then left shift and right shift. If you okay, I will complete the basic Python code. No, I will just, it will be too overloaded. Now, just go ahead. Try this and understand. Complement. Tilt symbol. You get this symbol below escape character. Do you see this? Check your system. You get, and after that, sir, where do you get this symbol? So that's why you have escape key or not? Below the escape key you got, or someone above escape key? Then the guy definitely wrongly manufactured. Just call him and ask, hey buddy, why you mentioned this? Okay, no, try this. Listen to me. Let's start. Print. Can I get 0B1101 or not? Just go ahead and 1100. So here, if you see this, 1101 means 13, 1100 means 12. Clear? Okay, next go to the next one. You will get this key below escape characters. Can I write 0B1101? That means, okay, so 12 I can get as 1100. Correct, guys? 12 means what? 1100. First thing, we need to understand what is meant by complement. Complement means it will reverse of the binary format. That means complement of 0, it will give you 1. Understand, guys? Complement of 1 means it will give you 0. Complement of 0 means it will give you 1. Complement of 1 means it will give you 0. So, if you not understand, then no need to be so much serious. This is a very simple format. 12 binary format is 1100. So, if I say complement of 1100, can I get this value or not? That means minus 13. In Python, you cannot store minus value. Understand? So this is one way where you can store. For example, in the virtual memory, we cannot store negative number. The only way to store the negative value by using complementary operator. Concept clear? Complement of 1 means 0. Complement of 0 means 1. Okay. But the question is why we got minus 13. But the question is why we got minus 13. To understand this concepts, we have a concept of 2's complement. What is 2? 1's complement plus 1. Okay, I know. Let's go back now. Here, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So 1, 1, 0, 1 is 13 or not, guys? And this means if you refer to this, so try to do this. So what is 0 complement is 1. 0 complement is 1. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Am I clear? So what is the formula said? The formula said 1's complement plus 1. Can I add 1 or not? If I add 1, this value it will generate minus 13. Don't research too much. Okay. Just understand complement operator. It will give you complement of 1 equals to 0. Complement of 0 equals to 1. Just go to the code. Can you please type this? Complement of 12. What you get response, please? Minus 13. Do you see this, guys? Understand or not? You got minus. Now complement of 46. What happened? Minus 47. Then minus 50. Concept clear, guys? So it will store complement will give you negative values. Understand, team? Okay, that's it. Can we move on to the next part? So online team, can we move on to the next operator? Okay, look at this, guys. AND OR. In AND table, 0 and 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 1 and 1 is 1. Can we complete or we complete tomorrow? Can we complete tomorrow or today? Tell me honest. If it's too much, then we'll go ahead tomorrow. You follow whatever you say. I follow whatever you say. Today? Right. Today. Next day, Rupesh. What about offline team? As you tell me honest, man.